Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove photo background without Photoshop. Removing photos background is a tedious process for many people. Some people have many photos but they would like to remove the background from those photos. Typically, perfect removing background is possible only some professional photo editors such as GIMP or Photoshop. You have to install and working knowledge about these tools. So how can you remove background without any software skills? Let's learn how you can do this. Open the Remove.bg online photo editor. Then you can upload your image. After uploaded, it will be remove the background based on this character. You can check here, removed background. Now its the background is removed. If you would like to add any other background, you can click on the edit. By default they are providing many backgrounds. You can set that different background as you need. If you would like to provide the solid color background, you can choose the color. Here they are provide many solid colors. You can just choose. If you would like to add your own background, you can click on the select photos. Then you can add your own background. You can also blur the background by click on this function. If you would like to erase some part, you can click on the erase or restore. You can select the erase and adjust the brush size. Then you can closely remove this part. You have to carefully remove the erase tool to remove the some part as you would like to remove. After changing anything, you can just click on the download. Now the image will be downloaded in your computer. Please be note, this online tool provide only up to 0.25 megapixel photo to remove the background. If you need to use the high resolution, you have to buy the premium version. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more technology videos, subscribe this channel.